Several hundred of dead fishes have been found floating for about 2 months in Thinungai and Lamlai part of Loktak Lake after illegal massive electrofishing. Locals of the area have expressed disappointment over the dismal situation. Around 10 hectares of paddy fields at Sabam Lokon and Kangu Chingjin Khulen in Imphal East District have presented a dry and dismal picture owing to lack of rain and non-availability of water for irrigation. Farmers have urged the concerned authority to look into the matter. Experts believe rice production in Manipur is likely to be lower due to scanty rain. Students of Suraj Rare Flower School, Kongbal Lairenpat, Modern Academy Uchekon Lairenpat Machin, DSAC Academic Center Irilbung Kairo and Laishram Mani Memorial English Academy Kongba Dhobi Lampak staged massive sit-in protest demanding pending report of the inquiry committee investigating board examination mark manipulation. The sit-in protest was organized by Democratic Students Alliance of Manipur, Desam. Manipuri film director Pilu Haich today kicked off a rally promoting Manipuri music video album titled Imanang Naheli from the premises of Wall Club, Wangkai Angom Lekai. The music video is directed by Pilu Haich, produced and lyrics by Australian-based Anuradha Brahmachari and presented by Sangai Studio. Universal Family Organization Southeast Asia, Northeast India today observed its third Foundation Day at Ipa Loya Lakpa Iman Nungthel Leima Haraupung, Taubungkhok Awang Mayai Lekai, Imphal. As a part of the observance, a book titled Nongan Kre written by the president of the organization was released. All Manipur Muslim Organizations Coordinating Committee has strongly condemned the attack on a Muslim woman roadside vendor by a group of women at Imphal Khairamban Bazaar for selling beef. The United Democratic Party of Meghalaya will meet next month to elect a new leader. According to reports, the move has been initiated after the sudden demise of Dr. Don Kumar Roy Khar on July 28 last. NDTV India's Senior Executive Editor Ravish Kumar has been awarded the 2019 Raman Magsaysay Award for harnessing journalism to give voice to the voiceless, according to sources. He is among 5 individuals who were declared winners of the prestigious award. The United States will officially withdraw from the Intermediate Range Nuclear Forces Treaty today, clearing the way for a new arms race with Russia. As per reports, US President Donald Trump's administration says the treaty is effectively dead because of Russian violations. Assam's capital Guwahati will host the 3rd edition of Khelo India Youth Games starting from January 18 next year. This was officially announced by Union Sports Minister Kiran Rijiju on Twitter. Around 10,000 players and officials are taking part in the mega sporting event.